Okay, so we have been talking about capitals in our classroom. So we are going to continue to talk about capitals. When you guys have been doing your sentence scramble at the beginning of the day, when you have to cut out your words, put them in order in the sentence, looking for the capital at the beginning and the period at the end, this is just like that, okay? So it says sentences begin with a capital letter. The seed is happy. Did you see the capital T and the? That is because it is at the beginning of a sentence, right? All right, let's move down to this next slide, okay? It says, today we are going to unscramble the words to make a sentence. Remember, the word that is capitalized goes first because we know every sentence starts with a capital, okay? So you're going to take these right here and you're going to move them, okay? So which one of these words has a capital at the beginning? There's only one of them. Is it jump, I, or can? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this one for you guys and it's going to stay here, okay? So whenever you're touching your assignment, this I will be right here, okay? So I is right there, okay? Now I know that I is going to come first in the sentence. I'm not going to finish the rest of the sentence, but I can tell you, just a reminder, where would a period go in a sentence? Would it go at the beginning? Would it go in the middle? Or would it go at the end? I'm not going to answer that because I know my first graders know that periods go at the, and I hope you finished it correctly. Okay, the next sentence, it says today we're going to unscramble the words and make sure that we put the capital at the beginning because we know every sentence starts with a capital. So we have bee, flies, and the. You're going to take those words, drag them over, put them in the correct order, remembering to look for a capital at the beginning and a period at the end. Okay, and then this next one, same thing. We, cake, and eat, looking for a capital at the beginning and a period at the end. All right, guys, that is it for your grammar lesson today. That should be very easy for you guys after doing your sentence scrambles this past week.